Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your very own Facebook group. Whether you're looking to connect with friends, start a community, or organize a group around a shared interest, Facebook makes it super easy. I'll guide you through each step, from setting up the group to customizing your settings and inviting members. Let's get started. Log into your Facebook account if necessary. Once logged in, locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on these lines to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and find the Groups option. Click on Groups to open the Groups page. On the Groups page, you'll see a Create New Group button. Click on Create New Group. A pop-up window will appear asking for the name of your group. Enter a meaningful name that reflects the purpose or theme of your group. Next, you'll choose the privacy settings for your group. Public anyone on or off Facebook can see the group and its content. Private-only members can see the group and its content. If you choose private, you can decide whether the group is visible, anyone can find it, or hidden, only invited members can see it. Add a profile picture. You can add members immediately by typing their names or email addresses into the provided field. Alternatively, you can skip this step and invite members later. Writing a group description. Once you've customized your group, start posting to engage your members. Share the group's link with others to invite more members. Thanks for watching.